Hello everyone, dear friends. You are on the One China channel. My name is Vyacheslav. I once already did a review of such a thing, which I did not recommend buying. I had a very low data transfer, low speed. Now something is not working at all. So I decided to take it apart, see for myself, and show you what is inside. I'll take something with which to open it. What kind of plug was it? I broke it, or it was broken. Here is one. There is no leg anymore. Let's open it further. It should be removed. From here in general, that is, there is no contact. If you move it, there is. I suffered for a long time. Suffered, disconnected, and thought, yes, I will take you apart. If, of course, it works out. What do you have like this? So that I don't get hurt myself. Let's try. Here is a card. Let's try to shove it in. There's one normal corner left. All the corners have already split. Let's try to open it. It has to open somehow. It doesn't want to. I think the Chinese have started assembling their products better. Well, maybe I should lose my fingers. Damn. I took it apart. Write in the comments how it's disassembled.
Шучу, конечно. Сейчас возьму что-нибудь попрочнее. Как у меня палец болит, наш.
I got a bruise. Of course, I didn't need to cut myself.
Еще, конечно, не хватало порезаться. О, давай, давай, давай. Вот оно.
Here it is. It seems to be opening.
Пошло вроде открываться. Так.
It turns out I can just pull it out.
Она, оказывается, просто вытаскивается, что ли? Эта планка.
Yeah. Well, one of us licked it, and I broke it off. Yeah. Screw it. Everything is like this. Everything is so liquid here.
Жидко.
What do we have there?
Ни
It doesn't want to. Something doesn't want to. Yeah. No, there's a wire glued here. Well, basically, you move the wire and there's contact. I won't unstick it. I'll just look at it this way. But that probably won't work, right? I'll have to. Oh damn, you won't unstick it yet. And let's take a closer look.
И посмотрим более подробно.
Well, everything's pretty good here.
Довольно-таки неплохо.
Soldered. The metal has already started to corrode here.
Металла.
Soldered well, but what is it?
А что же тогда она? Может, вот здесь?
Here, something is impossible. How can I take it apart from this side?
Вполне возможно. Но как ее разобрать? С этой стороны никак не разобрать.
Most likely, this thing is glued here.
Посажена на клей вот эта штучка.
Or we have something incomprehensible, like plus and minus.
Это непонятно как. Плюс-минус. Да,
Date
это
plus,
минус.
date minus.
Здесь
Same here.
да? Красный плюс, черный минус.
So I found a microcircuit here but I can't read what's written on it. The font is so small here. Yeah, it's a shame, of course. I don't have any healing glasses, or I might have read them. I don't even know what to do with it next.
Я даже не знаю. Что с ним делать дальше? Выкинуть или...
Or continue using it. The soldering didn't come off the wires. Everything's fine. Well, here's a little thing. If anyone was interested, write what you think about it, but I'll put it back together.
Что думаете об этом? Ну, а я соберу обратно.
And we'll see if it works or not.
Или нет.
By everyone.